Hey everybody, Mel here. And let's talk about AI animation because this is the future, my friends. Seriously, AI animation is absolutely exploding on YouTube right now, and for good reason. It's like this whole new world of creative possibilities just opened up, and the best part, you can make serious bank doing it. But like any worthwhile venture, it takes a little know-how to really hit it big. That's why in this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of AI animation on YouTube, and I'm going to lay down the roadmap to success, step by glorious step. We're talking about going from zero to hero, from wannabe animator to YouTube sensation. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button because things are about to get animated. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is going to blow your mind. First things first, we got to talk about the heart and soul of your channel, the content itself. You could have the best marketing strategy in the world, but if your videos are about as exciting as watching paint dry, well, no one's gonna stick around. So, how do we make sure your content is top-notch? Let's break it down. First off, finding your niche is huge. What gets your gears turning? What makes you want to jump up and down and shout from the rooftops? Find that passion, that thing that makes you, you, and let it fuel your animation style. Trust me, authenticity shines through, and people can spot a fake from a mile away. Now, once you've got your niche locked in, it's time to bring your animation dreams to life, and that's where the magic of AI comes in. We're talking about tools like Animaker, Toon Boom Harmony, and a whole bunch of others that are going to be your new best friends. These bad boys can help you create some seriously impressive animations, even if you've never animated a thing in your life. But hold on. Before you dive headfirst into the wonderful world of AI animation, we got to talk about the backbone of any good story scripting and storyboarding. A well-written script and a detailed storyboard are going to be your guides, your roadmap to success. It's where you map out the story, the characters, the pacing, all that good stuff that keeps people hooked. And hey, don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of AI animation is that it's like having a million different art styles at your fingertips. Go wild, try new things, find what makes your channel pop. Remember, the goal here is to create content that's not only visually stunning, but also engaging, entertaining, and keeps people coming back for more. So go out there, create something amazing, and let's show the world what AI animation is really capable of. Okay, so you've poured your heart and soul into creating some killer AI animations. Now it's time to unleash them upon the world. But hold your horses, because simply uploading them to YouTube and hoping for the best? That's like trying to find a needle in a haystack the size of, well, YouTube. We need to talk about optimization, my friends, because in the vast digital landscape of YouTube, even the most epic content can get lost in the shuffle if it's not seen. And that's where SEO or search engine optimization comes in. Think of it like giving your videos a megaphone, a beacon that screams, "Hey algorithm, look at this awesome content." Now, SEO might sound intimidating, but it's really not as complicated as it seems. There are tons of tools out there, like the glorious TubeBuddy, that can help you find the perfect keywords to make your videos pop up in search results. We're talking about those magical words and phrases that people are typing into the YouTube search bar. The stuff that's going to lead them straight to your channel. But SEO is just the tip of the iceberg. We also got to talk about thumbnails and titles because let's be real, first impressions matter. Your thumbnail is like the cover of your book. It's what's going to grab people's attention and make them want to click. So, make sure your thumbnails are eye-catching, intriguing, and accurately represent the content of your video. Nobody likes clickbait, my friends, so keep it real, keep it honest, and keep it captivating. And speaking of captivating, your title is equally important. It's the first thing people see alongside your thumbnail, so you gotta make it count. Keep it concise, attention-grabbing, and make sure it accurately reflects the content of your video. Now, once you've got your SEO, thumbnails, and titles on point, it's time to talk about consistency, my friends. Because in the world of YouTube, consistency is key. Think about your favorite YouTubers, the ones you watch religiously. Chances are they upload on a regular schedule, whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily. And that's because consistency builds momentum. It keeps your audience engaged. It lets them know when to expect new content, and it tells the YouTube algorithm that you're serious about this whole YouTube thing. Alright, you've got the awesome content. You've optimized the heck out of your videos. Now it's time to talk about the lifeblood of any successful YouTube channel, the audience. Because without an audience, you're just talking to yourself, and that's no fun, right? Building a loyal and engaged audience is essential for YouTube's success. And it's not just about getting subscribers, it's about creating a community, a place where people feel welcome, entertained, and valued. So, how do we build this thriving community? Well, it starts with engagement, my friends. And I'm not just talking about responding to comments, although that's super important too. I'm talking about creating content that encourages interaction, that sparks conversation, that makes people feel like they're part of something bigger. Think about incorporating polls into your videos, asking questions in the comments section, hosting Q&A sessions, and even giving shout-outs to your most loyal viewers. The key is to make your audience feel seen, heard, and appreciated. But engagement goes beyond the confines of your YouTube channel. We gotta spread the love to other social media platforms too. I'm talking about creating profiles on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, wherever your target audience hangs out online. Use these platforms to connect with your viewers on a more personal level, share behind-the-scenes content, tease upcoming videos, and just generally be your awesome self. The more you interact with people, the more they'll feel like they know you, and the more likely they are to become loyal viewers. And speaking of connecting with people, let's talk about the power of collaboration. Reach out to other creators in your niche, especially those with a similar audience size to yours. Collaborating on videos is a fantastic way to cross-promote your channels, reach a wider audience, and bring fresh perspectives to your content. Remember, the YouTube community is all about collaboration over competition. Now, let's talk about the moolah, the big bucks, the reason why many of us are drawn to the world of YouTube monetization. Because let's be real, it's pretty awesome to get paid for doing what you love, right? But before we dive into the different monetization strategies, we gotta talk about the holy grail of YouTube earnings, the YouTube Partner Program. This is where it's at, my friends, the gateway to monetizing your videos with ads. Now, to join this exclusive club, you gotta meet certain requirements, like having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. But trust me, once you hit those milestones, it's a game changer. But monetization goes beyond just ads. We're talking about affiliate marketing, where you partner with brands and promote their products or services in your videos. This can be a super lucrative avenue, especially if you've got a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations. And speaking of trust, sponsorships are another fantastic way to monetize your channel. This is where brands pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. The key here is to partner with brands that align with your channel's values and that you genuinely believe in. Now, if you're feeling extra entrepreneurial, you can even create your own merchandise. T-shirts, mugs, stickers, phone cases, the possibilities are endless. So there you have it, my friends. Your roadmap to success in the exciting world of AI animation on YouTube. Remember, the most important thing is to start creating, to experiment, and to have fun with it. Don't be afraid to let your imagination run wild and to create content that truly reflects your unique vision. And most importantly, never give up on your dreams. With hard work, dedication, and a little bit of AI magic, anything is possible. And hey, while you're out there conquering the YouTube world, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We've got a ton of awesome content coming your way, from in-depth tutorials to inspiring creator spotlights, all designed to help you achieve your AI animation dreams. So what are you waiting for? Go out there, create something amazing, and show the world what you're made of.